Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Longoria in second grade. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to be reviewing money. Now, when we learned about money in second grade, we used hairy money for our coins so that we would be able to count the coins when we're adding it together. Now, let's go over our coins. The first coin I'm going to talk about is the $50. The $50 had 10 hairlines on it. And of course, remember, we would count these by fives. And we know a $50 is equal to 50 cents. A quarter has 5 hairlines. And of course, a quarter is equal to 25 cents. The dime has 2 hairlines, 10 cents, and a nickel has 1 hairline because it's equal to 5 cents. Now a penny, of course the penny is bald, so all we would do was put a little dot for a penny and count that as 1 cent. Now let's practice counting coins today. Now, I've done the hairlines already on the first set of coins. We want to count these and add the total here. Now, remember, for hairy money, we count by fives. Ready? Count with me, please. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, plus 1 more, that is equal to 81 cents. Next one, again, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 cents. Next row, we have a quarter, 2 dimes, and some pennies. Let's count those. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49 cents. Good job. Now let's use a word problem with money, sort of like the one you're going to have today in your assignment. This word problem is very similar to the problem that you're going to have today in practicing counting your coins. It says, Miss Longoria bought a Twix candy bar for 83 cents. That's my favorite candy. What coins did she use? Okay, so we know that I've got to figure out which coins I could use to equal to 83 cents. Well, if we look closely in the ones place, there's a 3 there. That's going to be 3 pennies that we will need. So definitely we'll have to use 3 pennies. And then if we look in the tens, well, we know we're going to need about 80 cents. Well, and there's different ways that you can come up with 83 cents. So let's try a few. I think I'm going to start off with my larger coins. Now, if I had 2 quarters, we know that's 50 cents, or if you used hairy money and you counted by fives, that would be 50 cents. You could figure that out too. I could also maybe use some dimes. 50 plus 10 more, that's going to be 60, 70, 80. So right now, what I'm looking at is using these coins to equal to 83 cents. Now, if I had hairy money on there, you could draw your hairy money on there and count by fives to make sure. But I'll do it the fast way. 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 83 cents. Another way to get 83 cents is by using counting by tens. If I use 8 dimes, maybe, let's try that out. We can count by tens. You can also count by tens to get 80. And then of course we'll need 3 more pennies. Let's try counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83 cents. So that's another way that we could also get 83 cents. But I know even a faster way. Watch how I use 3/4. After all, they're each worth 25, so we have 75 cents. And then I can use a nickel. And of course, I'll need those 3 pennies. So if you were going to use Harry money for this, you'd need 5 hairlines for each quarter. And 1 hairline, and of course your 3 pennies. So if I was counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83 cents. So that's another way I can get 83 cents. Now, let's take a look at your word problem for today and come up with different ways to get your answer. Thank you. Have a great day.